Singh. I am student of JMS Equihon Campus, Faisalabad. Today our activity is masculine, feminine. Man, woman, uncle, aunt, brother, sister, king, queen. Husband, wife, bull, cow, sir, madam, cock, hen. Male, female, boy, girl, lord, lady. Prince, princess, son, daughter, horse, lion, hero, heroine.